Your emails deserve a place in the inbox, not the dreaded spam folder. Let's ensure they make the cut. Navigating deliverability tools doesn't have to feel overwhelming or complicated for you at all. Start by testing your inbox placement. It's easier than you think, and it only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1. Decide on the email providers you wish to check for optimal placement and performance. Next, send a sample email to automatically generated addresses using your preferred marketing tool. Once your emails are dispatched, the exciting part begins. Discover where they land in your recipient's inbox. Stay informed by monitoring the domains and I.P.'s reputations consistently to keep your emails flowing. With Bouncer's intuitive interface, you can easily verify your email server setup by checking SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Sign up for a plan that suits your needs, whether it's a starter, standard, pro, or enterprise option. Join thousands of satisfied users today who trust Bouncer. Boost your email deliverability and watch your success soar.